Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I have a preview of all the brand new items the Stamps of Life has released over on the HSN Home Shopping Network. My kitty Pepper is here to help me unbox and show you everything. So first I have this paper pad, and this is a different size for Stamps of Life. This is an 8.5 by 11 paper pad. There's 24 sheets in here. There's 12 sheets, and then there's 2 of each, so 2 of each design. And it's the same heavyweight cardstock like you're used to seeing with the Stamps of Life. This is called the Everyday Floral Collection, and it is so pretty. And with this larger 8.5 by 11 size, it's perfect to, like, you can make 4 card fronts from this. You could make scrapbook pages. You can just make lots and lots of things. So it's nice to have this larger size available with the great products or the great quality that the Stamps of Life is known for. So I really, really like this. And these are such bright and fun colors. The colors in this are berry, bubblegum, mint chip, sea glass, orchid, and sunflower. So there is all of the designs, and super cute. Pepper likes it. As you can see, he really likes this paper pad. I'm going to try to give him a little bit of attention. Now there's some other items the Stamps of Life has released as well over on HSN, and this is new. This is, and I'm not sure of the name of it, I apologize, but these are some new embellishments. And there's purple, blue, like a light teal, pink, yellow, and white. And there's so many little rhinestones. So you've got stars and you've got different kinds of bows. It also comes with a glue. So this big bottle of glue, and I love the Happy Crafter glue. You get some reverse tweezers, and then you also get this embellishment wand, which has like a pokey tool on one side, and then the other side has these wax tips that makes it easy to pick up little die cuts and little embellishments. So that's really nice. I love this. All right, let's get into the rest of the items. Of course, I received some adhesive sheets. I don't know which items these come with on the website, so be sure to check out HSN for all the details. This first set is called the You Rock A2 card die set, and I have been waiting and waiting for Stephanie to come out with something like this. This is a rocker card. So this is one of those cards that wows. When you receive it, it rocks. It actually stands up. You get the words "You rock" and "You're a rock star." There's also some different little stars on here. Of course, you get the outside die, and then you get layering pieces for the rocker cards. So let me show you the samples that I have made with this. I think this is one of my favorites from the release. So there's a look at the product. So this is one, and I used the new little puffin set from January, the new club set, and look at those puffins. Feeling fluffy and feeling fabulous. So, and then look, it rocks, it stands up. So I love that. So this is going to be so fun. You could use this card die for any occasion. My next sample is You Rock with the unicorn sparkle on there, and then a sentiment on the back. And I tied a bow at the top. This one again rocks. And then I also used some of those star embellishments. I don't know if you saw that there on the front. And then this one, calories don't count on your birthday. Eat up your day, your rules, your fun. Some little birthday cakes. Just lots of fun birthday stuff. And on the back, another little birthday sticker there. So then this one also rocks. So that's cute. So I love these cards that can stand up on the recipient's desk. And then look, I made one that looks like Mickey Mouse. So I just used a couple circle dies to cut those out. And then on the back, let's celebrate you today. So if you have any Mickey Mouse fans in your life, this would be super cute to recreate. All of these samples will be in the Stamps of Life online gallery under HSN, so be sure to check that out. There's a little card right here on the bottom here. It says Scan Me, and that'll take you directly to the Stamps of Life website where you can see more ideas for these projects. This set is called the Let's Partay, And it just says, let's partay, and it's a die. And it also comes with a stamp set. So it's a shaped card. This is perfect for birthdays, anything you want to party and celebrate. So I like that. Here's the stamps. It says, happy birthday. You did it. It's your birthday. Let's partay. Let's celebrate you today. Your day, your rules, your fun. Congrats. And then there's a little birthday cake on there as well. So that's a nice big stamp set. And then let me show you the samples that I made with this set. So I've got Let's Partay, and you can see here I did like an ombre on the letters, and this is on that decal edge card die. I also used a few of those new star embellishments on here. I love the way those look. Then I have, here's one where I just used all of the stamps that were included in the set, and then the little birthday cake sticker. So that's super cute. And some of those star embellishments again made their appearance here. Then here's one, a big Let's Partay, but this is on a 5x7 card, so you don't always have to make it an A2 size card. You can put it on a larger card base. Put some glitter paper back there. Then I've got one, this is on an A2 size card, and I did put a little bit of foam tape on the back of these letters to give them some dimension. You can see that new everyday floral paper pad was used on both of these cards. So that's a look at my samples for the Let's Partay. Moving on, let's look at the next set. This one is called the Cake Edge A2 card die set. Pepper's here helping me again. And this makes a really fun card. So it's a A2 standard card. It also comes with stickers. There's several sheets of stickers in here. So here's the card base itself. Love those little cakes. And then there's lots and lots of words in here, which I've used on several of my samples. So let me show you what all you get. You get a lot in this one. So you get the cakes all in a row. Then you get one by itself. You get calories don't count on your birthday. Let's see. Look at you, or I can't remember all of them. You take the cake. I'll show you on my samples. Okay, here's one. You take the cake, and then I used the stamp set from the other set in here in the center. And look, I put a little cake sticker on the back. I thought that was cute. But I just added some of those pieces back in, and I used some glitter paper there. I love that one. And then here it says, look at all those candles. Oh, that's what I was trying to say. Look at all those candles. So that's super cute. And then, oh, I've got it taped here from when I took pictures. It's your birthday, let's partay. So you can see how all of these sets like mix and match. I used some from each. And then this one says calories don't count on your birthday. I think that's my favorite sentiment. Another little cake there on the back. And then this one, I've got 3 cakes in a row. So not using it on the side, but in the middle there. And then I heat embossed happy birthday in the center. So I love the way these turned out as well. So let's look at the next set. Now this one is a lot of fun. This one is called the Delightful Crisscross Card Die Set. And this makes a card that stands up. It's really dimensional. And it also comes with the stamp set. So here's the stamp set. It has you are so amazing, my friend, so special, so kind, and then a couple flowers, and then also a little square there that you can use. And then here is the actual card base itself. So I'll flip this over, and what you do is you just cut this out. So I cut this out 4 times for my card samples, which I will show you. And then it's got the layering panels as well, which you can add the flowers in there, or you don't have to. You can just do the panels. So here is one. I did not use the inside layering panels, just the inside layering die. And I put some ribbon on the top. It says, you are so kind. And it stands up, so that's so fun when the recipient receives that. It's just like a work of art, right? And it's super easy to make. And then this one, I've got a birthday cake. I used some birthday paper from the Stamps of Life. Your day, your rules, your fun. That was one of the stamp sets I shown you earlier. Just lots of fun, bright colors on this one. And I love how these just set up on your desk. You could even add like a little picture in the center, like a graduation photo or wedding photo. That'd be pretty. Here's one where I just used some of those dies that came in the set, the little flowers. I thought they were so pretty. And then this one, I used the stamps. So I have "You Are So Amazing, My Friend." And then I use that everyday floral paper collection that is available. So that is, I love the way this one turned out too. I can't decide which is my favorite. Be sure to leave me a comment at the end of this video and let me know which set is your favorite and which card is your favorite. This one is called He Is Risen. It's an A2 card die set. It is so pretty. Comes with a stamp set as well. Here's the card die, and it has some crosses on it, and then you get the words "He is risen" and like 3 different styles of crosses, and then you get like a little grass scenery area, and then the stamps are "Happy Easter," "He is risen," "Wishing you a happy Easter full of blessings," "It's time to celebrate his greatest miracle of all," "May this beautiful day be a testimony to God's love and glory," and "May the miracle of Easter bring you hope, love, and joy." And then you also have a stamp in the center with a cross on it. So let me show you these samples. Now this one, I made one of the book corners. So that's a die available on the Stamps of Life website. And I did the "He is Risen" and one of those stamps on the back. And this is meant to go in your Bible or a book. And it just keeps your place. So I love that. That turned out really pretty. So pretty. This is my Bible. So let me set that aside. And then I made one that says "Just like it's intended." So "He is risen." I've got some sparkly crosses and I stamped it on the inside panel there. And then this next one, I made it, this one, again, kind of as it's intended. I used some of those pretty bows that were on the embellishments and put on the crosses. Now this one I stamped on the inside panel versus the inside of the card. It looks like I got a little ink on the back of that. Whoops. And then this one I made just kind of fun. I cut the crosses off the top, put an Easter bunny on there, but used the stamp set that it comes with. So that's a totally different look. And then this one might be my favorite. I used the alphabet letters that came out, I think, the last release, and then that little car, the wedding car, and then I have a stamp there on the inside. So leave me a comment down below and let me know which set is your favorite and which card is your favorite. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Again, all of these samples, along with all the other designer samples, will be in the Stamps of Life gallery. Happy shopping! Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye!